Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're exploring the Unicozin Vanity Lights, a stunning 3-light bathroom fixture that includes bulbs and boasts a classic design with a sturdy metal lamp body and elegant clear glass shades, perfect for adding a touch of refinement to any room. Crafted from high-quality solid metal, this fixture is not only durable and resistant to rust but also easy to clean, ensuring it remains a beautiful part of your home for years to come. The included E26 ST 58 4-watt LED bulbs emit a natural daylight white light at 4000 K, providing a comfortable and vibrant atmosphere while being energy efficient and long-lasting. Installation is a breeze with all necessary mounting hardware included, and you have the flexibility to mount it upwards or downwards to suit your style. This versatile wall sconce is designed to catch the eye and can be installed in various spaces such as the living room, kitchen island, bathroom, bedroom, dining room, or hallway. With its timeless appeal and practical features, the Unicozin Vanity Light is the perfect choice for enhancing your home's lighting and decor. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product insights and reviews. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.